Okay, good morning, teacher.
Morning ค่ะ
Okay, how are you today?
I am okay and you
Good. Okay, I'm happy to see you. Okay, so today today is Wednesday. Can you share me your Excel one?
again please teacher.
Can you share me about your Excel one?
Okay, today is Wednesday. I I went to school at 7:50 a.m.
Okay.
Today I plan paint on the building.
Oh, very nice.
I paint the building today. I
Wow.
prepare color and
Okay. Yes. Oh, very big improvement for Nonthai School.
thank you teacher. Thank you. Uh, today I have a goal. On the morning, I think I will make alcohol gel,
Okay.
but don't have the material.
Oh, no more
Don't
material.
have material. I paint on the building.
Okay.
Uh, today around the school wet and dirty.
Why? Did it
Uh,
rain?
yesterday is a raining.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Uh, on the morning, I cook roasted chicken. uh, chicken breast for my son and my daughter.
Oh, oh,
Cooking on the morning
yes.
before come to school.
Ah, okay.
On the morning, I budget banana fry 20 baht.
Yes.
Yes. After talk with you, I paint in the building.
Ah, okay. You paid the building again. Okay. How about, okay, for your budget today, how much is your budget? In the
Yeah.
morning, you buy 20 baht. No more budget?
uh, I buy banana
Five.
fry 20 baht.
Okay, fried banana,
Banana,
20 baht. How about
yeah.
for your lunch?
Again, teacher,
How about for your lunch? For lunch.
lunch. Oh, lunch. I think I have noodle.
How much is the
Noodle.
noodle?
Uh, 35 baht.
Okay, so your budget for today,
Delivery for me.
your budget today is about,
Restaurant delivery for me.
yeah, like 60 baht or 55 baht.
35 baht.
Yeah, like in the morning queue, you buy fried banana. Tangmot, the
Yeah.
total is 55. Correct.
Yes, 65 baht.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, teacher. So today I will share with you the document that maybe you can give to the teachers for them to have a guide. I wrote,
Okay.
I watched many clips from every school and I listed down some of the mistakes. So maybe we can help teachers read the words and practice so that when they make the video, it will become better. Okay, I send with you. Let us read together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Yeah. Okay. See this one. Okay. Can you see the paper?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So let us see here. Like when the teachers are asking the questions, okay, they
Yes.
sometimes ตื่นเต้น หรือว่า teacher ก็ excited ใช่ไหมคะ Sometimes teacher forget. They will say, "Are you ready?" Okay. So we will help practice teacher saying, "Are you ready?" Uh,
You ready?
yes. Are you ready? Yes. It's letter R. Okay.
Okay.
And number two,
not L.
most teachers ask about the weather. Okay, when they ask the question,
Yes,
how is the weather today? Okay, the teachers should say,
weather is very hot.
yes, that's correct. Teachers should say the weather is very
Feeling
hot. Yeah, teachers forget. They say, I am hot. Okay, yes. So remember,
not I am hot.
มันไม่ใช่ yes ความหมาย
Yes,
อีกความหมาย another meaning yes
okay.
okay, here so for objects or if there are many things we have to put s like cats dogs something like that and if there are many yeah so I give you this paper
Yes,
okay yeah
yes.
yes like oranges orange one
Orange.
is orange if
One
many
orange,
yes if many
many orange.
oranges oranges
Yes,
yes yes
orange.
yes
Oranges.
okay this one teachers ask the question correct เวลาพูดออกมาก็ถูกต้อง teachers say butterflies แต่ว่า when teachers put the wording เวลาเขียนคำศัพท์อะ teacher ลืมไปต้องเขียนเป็นอย่างนี้ butterflies yeah
Butterfly.
yes butterflies okay
Okay.
uh
Okay.
yeah okay here when
Yes.
before they're going to teach มี introduction ไปก่อนใช่ไหมคะ the first time they're going to say today I will teach about เนี่ย today I just เรื่องอะไรก็ say that yeah today I will teach about living things something like that เนาะ teacher เนาะ okay
โอเคค่ะ
yeah and about the vocabulary teachers prepare 5 words or 10 words teacher Pagan and reading they have to say spell the word spell the word
well
teacher
not a
not clear yeah ส่วนใหญ่ teacher ก็พูดออกมาว่าอะไรนะ spell the word
well
can
a
you hear
bell. It's a long.
yeah okay so yeah so I like teachers to print the paper and maybe they can practice with a Filipino teacher yeah okay
Okay.
okay, teacher. So I will send you the paper so you can print and tell the teacher so they can improve for the coming
Okay.
video. Okay? Yeah.
A
Okay,
copy
teacher.
for teacher.
Yeah. Okay, so that's all for today, teacher. And I wish you have a good day. Have a nice day.
โอเคค่ะ thank you ค่ะ
Okay, teacher. Okay, goodbye.
บายค่ะ
Okay.